Next level. 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 Next level.
Hello student. Today we will learn about articles. First, we need to know how many types of article. Articles are three types: A and D. Okay? Articles are three types: A and D. Now we need to know how to use them. Now we will start from and, because I think it will be so simple. We know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Without this, all are consonant. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Without this, all are consonant. When words are starting from vowels, then we use the articles and. Okay, we can see the word apple. Here first letter is A. A is vowel. Before vowel, we will be used the article and. So, an apple. Next, elephant. Here the first letter is E. E is vowel. Before vowel, we will be used the article and. So, an elephant. Next, ink. Here first letter is I. I also vowel. Before vowel, we will be used the article and. So, an ink. Orange. Orange. O is first letter and also O is vowel. So, before vowel, we will use the article and. So, an orange. Next is umbrella. Here first letter is U. U also vowel. Before vowel, we will be used the articles and. So, an umbrella. Now, we can see the word honest. This is not honest. This is honest. Here, H is silent letter and O is first speak letter. So, O is vowel. Before vowel, we will use the article and. So, and honest. Same things. Hours. This is not hour. Hour. Here, H is also silent letter and O is first speak letter. So, O is vowel and before vowel, we will use the article and. So, this is an hour. Okay. Next article is A. Let's see how to use the article A. Okay. Here, first point is general. When we are talking about something in general, like a book, a dog, a cat, etc. Next topic is consonant. We know we have 5 vowels from A to Z. The other alphabet automatically become consonant. Let's say example. Here is, this is a book. Here B is consonant. Before consonant, I use the article a. Like a cat. Also C is a consonant, and before consonant I used the article a. Okay student. Next point, first time. Okay, next point, first time. When we talk about something first time, like I saw a beautiful flower. Here I saw first time a beautiful flower. So I use the article a. Okay student, first time. Okay, let's come next article the. We can see the first point, specific. The girl looks beautiful. Here the girl is specific person. Okay, here the girl is specific person. Then we will use the girl. Here girl is specific person. Okay, next point is second time. Example, I ate a pear. The pear was sweet. Here P is consonant. Before consonant we will be used the article a. So it is general and it is also first time. So I ate a pear. The pear. Here pear is specific and also second time. So the pear was sweet. I ate a pear. The pear was sweet. Okay student. So student, that's it for the day. Please subscribe my channel, The Leader.